Okay, I'm making this video because I saw online something about depression and alcoholism, that they're treating it with something called TMS, Transcranial Magnetic Stimulating. So I kept on looking online and I saw that one clinic was charging $12,000 for therapy for 6 weeks and another for 4 weeks, and I'm going like, I can't afford that stuff. So I kept on looking online if there was a better way or something, and I kept on reading, and it's basically coils throwing electromagnetic pulses. So what I did, I decided to construct one myself, but I don't got no engineering skills like I used to after the accident. So what's the next best thing? Hack something to do what you need. So basically, what I did was I grabbed one of these pulse generators. See those pulses? It's something to stimulate the muscles. It throws positive and positive and negative into these little pads. But this one was the old one I had, so I had it laid around there, so I decided to grab it and use it. And I needed a coil, and basically you can make a coil by like 50 turns using a nail. But I didn't want to mess with all that stuff, and I just wanted to get it done. So basically, I grabbed this, and I had a computer, old TV, and I saw inside it, it had a coil. It had this. So basically, what I did was I just connected the positive and negative, and it started producing the pulses I needed. So you could build one from stuff. Like if you have one of these, you had therapy issues like back problems, it's the same thing. That thing is the same thing as those little ones that